Hey, I'm Julia with Wig Review Central at Shirley's Wig Shop. In this quick video, we are going to discuss ear tabs. What are ear tabs? What is the purpose of the ear tab? Why are there different kinds of ear tabs? I get asked that question quite a bit by people who are new to wigs on both my Facebook and Instagram accounts. So I thought it was time we made a video. First up, we have the Aesthetica Designs Heat-Friendly Collection James Wig. Now, the James cap has an open ear tab. These ear tabs are open and adjustable. They're very small. A lot of people like this kind of ear tab if you wear eyeglasses, readers, or sunglasses a lot, because this sleek, small ear tab makes it easy to put the glasses on and off. We have Lauren from the Beless Lux collection. These are hand-tied caps, and as you can see, this ear tab is very sleek and it is adjustable. This ear tab as well would be good for anyone that wears eyeglasses, because it would be easy to put the eyeglasses on and off. When you have a polyurethane or silicone on the ear tab, you can also use adhesive to fix the ear tab into place. The ear tab is what covers your hairline in front of your ear, and depending on the cap size, petite, average, or large, the ear tabs will sit on your head differently. This is why knowing your head measurement is so important. Now, I'll leave a link in the video description box under this video where you can click my video that'll show you how to take your head measurements. The most important measurement, my opinion, is the circumference, which is your total circumference of your head. Mine is 22 inches, which takes an average size cap. Up next, we have the Beless Delana 16 style. This beautiful heat-friendly style is very popular. Now, the ear tabs on this style are velour, and as you can see, the ear tabs have fiber that is sewn into it, different than what we've seen. Now, this is done to conceal the ear tab, which will lay down right here along your hairline. There are many ear tabs available. Different brands use different ear tabs. This is a great example of one that actually has the synthetic fiber sewn into it. Lastly, I want to show you the Jon Bruno Zara wig. This is Zara Light. It is the luxurious hand-tied cap. This is my personal wig. Just love this style. You can see the hand-tied cap here. Now, this ear tab is so sleek and soft. Very, very comfortable. Now, this could also have adhesive applied to it to anchor it against your scalp in front of your ear. It is adjustable. There is a little metal tab inside these ear tabs that allow you to adjust it. I can show you on this wig that I'm wearing. This is 100% Remy human hair. This is the Appeal wig by Ellen Villa. This wig is in a petite average cap. It fits a head measuring 21.5 inches in circumference. Now, as you look at this, you can see that on my 22-inch circumference head, this ear tab sits rather high. Generally, the ear tab should sit right here in front of the ear, and you will take that metal tab and turn it inward towards your scalp like this, so that it lays flush against your scalp, hides your hairline Well, I hope this quick video on ear tabs was helpful to you. You can purchase any of the styles that I've shown at shirleyswigshop.com. Be sure to use my discount code Julia30 to save 30% off the retail price of most wigs and hair toppers at shirleyswigshop.com. Now be sure to like this video if you like this content so that I know what to bring you in the future. Please click the subscribe button under this video. Subscribing is free and you'll never miss a wig review, how-to video, and much, much more. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.